Hello people, greetings from wherever you're watching right now. In this video, I will show you how to create stunning images and art using Willow AI. This is a great alternative to Midjourney AI going by output quality. So, I will take you around the Willow platform explaining how the different functionalities work. I am Joe, your tech handyman. Let's get started right away.
So guys, head over to Willow. The URL is bluewillow.ai. This is it. So you can click try now for free, or you click try now for free up there to take you to Discord. But ensure that you are signed in to your Discord account like this. So you go back to Willow, click on try now for free, and then input your name and email like so, and click on next, and then it takes you straight to the Discord server. You click on accept invite, it takes you right here. It showing you that Willow is free for the first 25 images. Then you can subscribe for $5 per month. Just click on yes, click next, and this is just the terms and condition. Click on finish. So once you click on finish, it takes you right into the Discord server, Willow's Discord server. So right here, just scroll down on the left, find the rookie. There are a lot of rookie channels here. Or to the left, you can scroll down and see other Discord servers that are there. So what you want to do is just to find one of the rookie channels like this one and click on it, and then it takes you here. This is where we are going to write in. There are quite a number here. So on the Willow dot, you just click on it. So once it pops up, you can just type hello. I just want to show you what happens. So once you get that hello, it gives you this direct message. So here you can type in whatever you want. For instance, if I try / and click on prompt, and then input a prompt right here. So once I'm done and click, you can see it's telling me that I have to subscribe to be able to access the direct message. So you go back and try the rookie channel. So just type / and then imagine. Then you can type in your prompt like I am going to do now. Whatever image you want to do, generate, you type in the prompt like so. Once you are done, just click on enter, and then it generates. But the challenge here is that every other thing is clogged up because other people are actually typing their different prompts, so you hardly find yours. So you go to the right, click on the box that is inbox, and then once that is open, you click on mentions. Once you click on mentions, you see the recent prompt and the image that you created. This is the one I just created now. So if I click on it, it opens like so. 4 images there are. So I can click on open in browser to be able to visualize it in the browser. And this is how it looks, all the images, the options that I have, just like so. So if I want to have it here, I click on jump, it takes me right to the main pane. Then here is the first photo, the second one is this one here, the third one is the third, and the fourth one is the other one. So for V, here is the variation of 1, variation 2, variation 3, and then of course that's version 3 and version 4, like that. So here you can delete, and here you can regenerate. For instance, if I want to upscale to have another variation of 1, I click on V1. I'll have 4 different variation of that one, just like this. Follow the same method, click on inbox and see it here. So these are 4 different images of the first one. So if I click jump, it takes me right back here. 4 variations. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and that is 4. That is for you. So if I click on regenerate this one, it will generate different images all together, the 4 of them. So you can see from that now. And then if I click on jump, it takes me right here. So all the variations is regenerated. So I'm having different ones. You can just click on it again, open in your browser like so again, and then to download, just right click on it, go to save image as, and just type in any name you want, in this case Roman soldier, and click on save. So once I go to my downloads and click on it, it opens up and all the images are right here. So guys, this is basically how you walk around Blue Willow. The photos are top quality and they are all good. So take time out to explore different channels and see prompts that other people have used to create fantastic images and see what you can make of them all. Thank you for watching today's video. Hope to see you in the next.